Hey guys, so I wanted to share some alpha, some airdrop alpha, something that I am farming myself and some upcoming opportunities. First of all, I want to share this project called Biden. On Twitter, you can see Biden AI. It came out recently, I think a week ago, and why I am farming personally, and I will show you how to farm it. It's really easy, really simple. I am farming because they raised 3 million in the funding, in the seed funding. Many people don't know about this because you see only 26,000 followers. And what you do is go on their website. And first of all, I will show you some trailers that they are how released. For example, I like this one. I like the quality. That's a high quality animation. And I don't think anyone knows what this will be, but I think $3 million in funding is bullish for me. So let's get to the airdrop farming part. You basically go on their website, which is right here on the Twitter. And this is what you do. These are basically some simple social tasks. I already have 760 points. I like the animation. I like the website. It's really high quality. I like that. It's not some meme coin type BS project, in my opinion. So you start quest. Now you can see which quests are available. I have already done like, I think 5 quests. So, I mean, yeah, this first quest was like 7 days ago. And right here, you basically like and repost the post. You basically like and repost, you go back, you verify, and you get the 100 energy collected. More energy, higher rewards later. If you want some deeper research on this project, let me know in the comments. The second thing I wanted to show you is Pixel Pals. Basically, the season 0 will end in 29th April, which is around basically 15 days away. And when the season ends, we will probably get the token airdrop, the Mon token, which you will be able to stake as well. That's why I am super bullish on this project. And I hope you are farming the Mon protocol quests as well. I am doing this daily. You can see I have already 148,000 points. Many referrals. Thanks for using my referral code. And the referral code is in my description as well right now. So use it if you want to. You will get more points. Now, the third thing is this T. Basically, this protocol is backed by Binance. That's why there is a 99.9, I would say 100% chance that it will be listed on a Binance exchange. And there are more quests right now open. So check them out. You can basically stake your T, basically testnet tokens. And there are many new tasks that you can do and earn the points. I am quite low on the leaderboard. I'm like 200,000 of 800,000 people because I have slept on this, but I will do all of the things that I can do, and I would recommend you to do that as well. And the last thing I wanted to tell you is that if you are staking TIA Celestia tokens or Milk TIA, which is like the liquid tokens on the Celestia, or 40 Atom, which is the Cosmos project, like 40 Atom tokens, I think they cost around $9. TIA costs around $10, so that's around 400 basically in dollars. If you stake these since January 5th, that's like the last date. If you staked only after this, you don't qualify. But if you staked before January 5, and if you did some activity, if you have some activity on these basically Hyperlane, Osmosis, and other things, you get a 3.33x multiplier. So check it out. You will get the SOAR token, and right here you can see SOAR chain. That's basically a project that will be airdropping the tokens for the Tia and Atom stakers. So check it out. And so I will be starting to release more videos about different projects, even projects that I am not farming myself, but that are big opportunities, because there are so many projects, you cannot do them all, in my opinion. But I will start to make more videos about projects that are available to farm, because it depends what you like to farm and how much money you got, because there are many airdrops that need high volume. You have to have big packets, or projects that are for huge influencers, and if you don't have a big social media numbers, you basically don't rank up. So I will share basically everything I know. So if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto airdrop alpha, any big airdrop news, press the subscribe button, press the notification button, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on any upcoming alpha. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.